Hello friends. The thing you are looking here actually that's an algorithmic implementation of online captcha. Here I have used uh, a combination of convolutional neural network and bidirectional GRU for recognition purpose. Finally applied CTC decoder on the top of it, and the algorithm is performing very well. So prior to move toward what sort of algorithm do and how you will it can train for uh, for a custom data set, would like to show you what sort of captcha image I was having and why it is good try to do such experiment. So then why it is worth as well. So let's move toward the image section first, and then we will come here again and I'll show how to run the code. This entire version of source code is available in our website, and the notebook description how to run this code for your own benefit. The pre-trained weights, because the training time of this algorithm is very high, the pre-trained weight is available on the discussion section of this video. The notebook link also there. So moving toward uh, the main algorithm of these are some sample image I am using here. As you can see here, the main challenge in this captcha, it's hard to read. Not only hard to read, these captchas having two words, not one words captcha, and space is also important here. Like if you can see this captcha, uh, you can read, see here this captcha containing TAPE, thereafter space, and thereafter 25. So this is a combination of alphanumeric characters, and with the naked eye, it's hard to read with the naked eyes. So I started this experiment hoping that at least the algorithm will reach to the human accuracy, but while the algorithm being trained after a couple of days, it is capable to achieve far more accuracy than human. So let's move toward the main algorithm. Main algorithm is really simple, and this is not a very complex code. You can make your own code here. This is my main model. Three block of convolutional neural network, activation ReLU, and max pooling for downsampling the image. In convolutional neural network, I had used stride 1, while in max pooling stride 2, so that it downsample the image. And finally, I reshape all the images in one dimensional so that I can put into I make it flatten first, just like that, and thereafter apply GRU forward propagation, GRU backward propagation, add those layers. After adding, again apply GRU second for forward propagation and for backward propagation 2p, then concatenate those layers. Here the benefit of concatenation that we won't lose any features here, and can be used both type of features simultaneously. The number of classes I have used here 7, because I presume that maximum words containing in any captcha was 7, but if it contained more than that, with the help of CTC decoder lambda function, it actually giving output up to the 9. That's what I'm doing here, my prediction script. CTC decoder work very well in language modeling and also for optical character recognition. This is all about the source code. I cannot show the training because training will take around 5 to 6 days minimum to get a good train weights. So because data set was huge, so once the model being trained, that weight is loaded here. Okay, I have run this model for 11 epoch. For one epoch, it on a 12 GB GPU. It takes around 1.5 days. So this model, for up to reach 11th epoch, it takes around 20 days or something like that. After 20 days, these weights I have obtained and I test on some anonymous data set, and the performance you can see here directly. Okay, for prediction of one captcha, it takes around 0.25 second an average. That means in 1 second it is capable of break at least 4 captcha. Even if with the accuracy of 90%, this algorithm will be capable to break any website where the captcha is being placed, at least containing 2 word or single words. This is all about today. You can get the entire version of source code in our website. Link is given in the discussion section of the video. If you like this video, please press the like button. Do share with your friend and tell them how much powerful AI today is, and do some more experiment. If you have any idea, just share your experimental idea in my comments, in the comment section. And also, if you have any query, you can contact me directly. I have given my WhatsApp number. We provide various type of services in AI, deep learning, help PhD scholars and master scholars for thesis as well. Our charges is much reasonable, much cheaper than US candidate. And this is all about today, guys. Thanks for watching this video.